Namaste, myself Bedel Samji, Richard Stando Kalari Gurukulam, Kallayam, Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala State. On 2nd of October 2025, the auspicious day of Vijayadashmi, we are conducting new admission at Gurukulam. For your kind attention, I am also conducting classes at Prayag School of Arts, Shastamangalam near SAP camp, and Phoenix Kalari Padanashala, Parakod, Srikaryam, and at our new center near Pothangod, Bhagavadipuram. I request all of you to use this opportunity to start your Kalari journey. With blessings, Bedel Samji Gurukal.